Hey there, everybody. Ron here. I just thought maybe you'd like to have an update on upcoming events because we've got some very cool stuff scheduled for you. First, I want to start with the Quick Start School in February, the 23rd through the 25th. If you haven't, 26th, if you haven't been to that event yet, you really ought to get it on your agenda, especially if you happen to be a terms buyer, because we give you $1,000 credit for the terms course if you bought that and haven't upgraded to the boot camp yet. Strongly suggest you do it. And there's a lot of cool reasons why, but if you're going to do it, you should know that on March the 3rd in March, what's the date in March? March the 17th, 18th, and nope, sorry, that's the wrong date. March the 23rd through the 26th, I'm going to be doing a live event again in a hotel room with humans here in the Jacksonville area, probably in Amelia Island. So maybe put those dates on your calendar, March the 23rd through the 26th, and yep. You'll be in the same room with humans. You won't be shaking hands and you won't be hugging or kissing or any of that kind of stuff because we're going to be COVID compliant. But for the first time in a year, we'll actually, literally, it'll be a year. We can get together and we can do the things we can only do in a live event. Now, if you register for the virtual in February, you can come again in to the live event at absolutely no charge or vice versa. So might want to consider getting into that one, and maybe it would be a good idea for you to do the virtual first, then come to the live, because that's plenty of time for you to get deals before and after the virtual, and certainly between the two events, because we make deals. You would be amazed at the amount of deals. The last boot camp, we did 23 live deals for students who sent in leads, and I expect we're going to do more than that in the live event because I'll have more people working on it. And we'll be able to work together in the room and ask a lot of questions you won't get on there virtually, and meet some new people and some other cool things that we do in the live that we don't do virtual. So put that on your agenda. And also on March 3rd and 4th, I've got a 2-day buying and selling with owner financing event coming up. It's free, no charge. That's March 3rd and 4th. And obviously it's self-explanatory. I'm going to teach you things about buying and selling with owner financing you will not learn from any other human, because everybody I learned it from is long gone. And these are cool stuff that I don't get to teach anywhere else. Again, March 3rd and 4th. All you got to do is register. It's absolutely free. The link should be below, and you can register on that link, or you can call our office if you want to at the 888 number shown here. And then I got the virtual business management boot camp coming up on March the 17th and 19th. Boy, we're going to be busy in March, aren't we? That's seller financing, business management, and live Quick Start School in March. So you might as well come on to Jacksonville and stay here for the month, you know, as far as I'm concerned. By the way, the weather is absolutely gorgeous here. I mean, gorgeous. The business management's all about running the business of real estate, buying and selling. And I teach it personally as well as these other things. And it's all about the things you would expect in a business management event, about cash flow management, working together with your spouse or not, hiring, firing, delegating, outsourcing, problem solving, and all of those things that you'd expect. It's a really incredible event. And we only do it twice a year, so that will be virtual. So anyway, those events are coming up here, and that just takes you through March. I can tell you right now, in April, we've got a really big event scheduled. It's going to be our spring summit. And just keep your eye out, because it's going to be nothing like we've ever done before. We're going to be doing in April. So trying to do everything we can to keep you guys in the loop, give you everything we can to work with, and to help you make this year the best year you've ever had, and make real estate your vehicle to get wherever it is you want to go. So just put all those things in your book, and you'll get more information on them as we go. See you.